A Course in Miracles Workbook, Lesson 84, Review of Lessons 67 and 68. Begin the day by thinking about the two ideas for the day and the comments that are included. Devote some 3 or 4 minutes to listening or reading them over slowly, perhaps several times, and then close your eyes and listen. There is a message waiting for you. Be confident that you will receive it. Remember that it belongs to you and that you want it. Now, devote the next several minutes to reading or listening to the two ideas for today, several times if you wish. From Lesson 67, Love created me like itself. I am in the likeness of my Creator. I cannot suffer, I cannot experience loss, and I cannot die. I am not a body. I would recognize my reality today. I will worship no idols, nor raise my own self-concept to replace my self. I am in the likeness of my Creator. Love created me like itself. You might find these specific forms helpful in applying the idea. Let me not see an illusion of myself in this. As I look on this, let me remember my Creator. My Creator did not create this as I see it. From Lesson 68, Love holds no grievances. Grievances are completely alien to love. Grievances attack love and keep its light obscure. If I hold grievances, I am attacking love, and therefore attacking myself. Myself thus becomes alien to me. I am determined not to attack myself today, so that I can remember who I am. These specific forms for applying this idea would be helpful. This is no justification for denying myself. I will not use this to attack love. Let this not tempt me to attack myself. Now close your eyes and listen. Repeat the first phase of the exercise period if you find your mind wandering, but try to spend the rest of this practice period listening quietly but attentively. Okay. This concludes Lesson 84. Regard these practice periods as dedications to the way, the truth, and the life. Refuse to be sidetracked into detours, illusions, and thoughts of death. You are dedicated to salvation. Be determined each day not to leave your function unfulfilled. Reaffirm your dedication in the shorter practice periods. The earlier part of the day should be devoted to one of these two ideas, and the latter part of the day devoted to the other. Use the original form of the idea for general applications, and more specific forms when needed. Some specific forms are included in the comments which follow the statements of the ideas. These, however, are merely suggestions. It is not the particular words you use that matter.